President Duterte has offered to be a guinea pig of sorts for the Russia-developed vaccine, claimed by Russia to be the first vaccine offering sustainable immunity against COVID-19. But a local vaccine expert says it's highly unlikely that a vaccine will be approved for mass distribution within the year. To give us more details, we have Greg Gregorio. He's reporting live from Mandaluyong. Greg, good afternoon. What do you have for us?
Charles, the development of possible COVID-19 vaccines are now in phase 3, where it is given to thousands of individuals to test its safety and efficacy. A Pinoy nurse in UAE volunteered to participate in a vaccine trial in hopes that this vaccine may be available to everyone as soon as possible.
Erickson Pascual has been working as a nurse in Abu Dhabi for 7 years now. When the COVID-19 pandemic struck, he worked at the front lines, taking care of patients infected with the virus. Now, he has volunteered to be part of a vaccine trial in Abu Dhabi.
Just in case, sana ma-approve na siya soon para kung sakali lahat magkaroon ng hope para sa mga tao na magkaroon ng vaccine.
15,000 volunteers of different nationalities residing in UAE will take part in a vaccine trial conducted by Abu Dhabi's health department in partnership with Chinese pharmaceutical group Sinopharm. Erickson and the rest of the volunteers will receive 2 vaccine shots and will be monitored for around 12 months.
5th day ko na ngayon. Tinatawagan ako day by day just to follow up kung meron ako reaction. So far, hindi ako nilagnat. Wala akong nararamdaman sa katawan.
According to the Food and Drug Administration, the vaccine being developed by Sinopharm is just one of the vaccine candidates currently undergoing phase 3 clinical trial. Russia is about to register its locally developed vaccine for the 3rd phase. President Duterte committed to test the shot himself once it arrives in the Philippines. He longs for a COVID-free December in the country as manufacturers look to release approved vaccines by September or October. But that's far-fetched, says a vaccine trial expert, as observation period for a new vaccine takes at least 12 months. Some even take decades, like shots against malaria, dengue, and HIV.
Now you tell me that in 6 months you're gonna have a new vaccine? Kumbaga sa Tagalog, suntok sa buwan.
She also cautioned that the FDA must closely look into each of the vaccine's efficacy rate before it can be mass distributed to Filipinos.
Charles, the FDA earlier mentioned that accepting vaccine trials in the Philippines would help us well-positioned on its global allocation once proven safe and effective. But FDA Director General Eric Domingo insists that any vaccine would have to be registered in the country before it gets to be marketed for Filipinos. Charles?
Thank you, Greg Gregorio, reporting live from Mandaluyong.